wasabi ice cream.
I'm back, baby. Bonjour, mademoiselle. Do you want to know what it's like to eat in Taiwan? To sleep in Taiwan? Or maybe, are you going to Taiwan and would you like to know what to eat? Well, I got you covered. Sit back, relax, and enjoy Voyage Taiwan Part 2.
So right now we're walking to Michelin Bib Gourmand place here. They have quite a lot here in Tainan. We're going there for breakfast, so I'm quite curious. Let's see. Oh, my lens is very dirty, you can see it. We clean, baby. What are we lining up for? Okay, I'll get a line, whatever. I'll get it. For you. I do it for you. Look at me getting a line, not even knowing what it is. Okay, I got stuff. I'll eat it later. Alright, time to get a coffee. Do my journaling. I try to keep it up every morning, but it's not going so well, but I'm working on it, There we have it. So this isn't anything, I think. Maybe upstairs. Alright, I'm out on the streets again. I don't really have a plan for today. Quite nice.
Very good, very nice. Very good, very nice. Hello, Nicki Minaj.
Majestic. The guy she tells you not to worry about you. I wonder what it says. Okay, I googled it. It said the holy place of Confucius, the most sacred teacher. It is the next day and my head is crooked. I'm going to get breakfast and then I'm going to look for a nice cafe because I need to file my taxes.
Alright.
Boy, filing his taxes. This was also a Michelin restaurant. Apparently it's very famous. The lovely guy just helped me order and I think it's gonna be a great meal. I ordered some kind of combo set, so let's see, it looked very tasty. Thank you. Whoa, this was an intense meal. This soup, at first it was quite nice, but then after eating it a bit more, it was very intense. Okay, right now we're going to the snail. Very cute in here, very cute. Oh, tiny door for tiny people. How great is this? All the kids playing in the workroom? Nice. Okay, we're out there. This is the biggest night market in the city. Well, we have a live music situation going on. Look. 'My feet hurt, I want to sit down. Can I get a banana milk?
谢谢，阿拉苏，这个一堆橄榄红菜了，谢谢感谢了这个台湾老师小姐，我的叫狗狗的爱哦，谢谢。
I see a big line there. Let's eat at the line. I thought I'll learn from inside and then. Okay, just finished dinner. I'm waiting for the bus. I'm going to the Jazz Cafe. I had dinner with the Taiwanese lady. Okay, we're out of there. Wow, that was a good and nice bar. The staff was so nice. I talked with them. They gave me some recommendations for jazz clubs in Tokyo. I'm going to bed quickly. I need to be quick, otherwise I will be tempted to get food. Bye. I cannot seem to capture it well, but I just love this street. Everywhere I look, there's food. Thank you. Look at all these people waiting. There's 15 groups waiting, so that's crazy. Wow. But I spoke to the guy, owner, employee, and he says tomorrow 9 o'clock when they open it will be Thank you. Everybody waiting to get in. Oh, good to stretch my legs again. It was really aesthetic. Also really small in there. Bye, hostel. Bye bye. I am going to get 2 bao buns. Cucarachas. 2 bao buns, and then I'm taking the bus to the station, going to Kaohsiung, 1 city down, staying the night there, and then we're going back up to Taipei in order to catch my train to Japan. Bridge is very famous. Apparently. It's open now. Okay, so I'm on my way to get some breakfast. So I was just planning to go to Taipei And now it's raining. There's a raining man. Okay, 5 minutes later, rain stopped. Let's go. Tomorrow, we fly to the next destination. When I told her I'd love to kiss you. I'll be on the train for 5 hours, so I'm gonna get some lunch. Okay, we're back in Taipei. Time to get to the hotel.
2,000 years later.
Wasabi ice cream. That was a weird experience.
What?
Oh, these people were making such weird noises in their sleep. Maybe I do this too. Wow, what a nice meal. Only for €5.